Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today also reverse bit. So let's solve the problem. In the problem statement, you can see there is a number x and we need to reverse its binary form and return the answer in decimal format. Okay. In given example one, you can see there x equals to 1 and in output it will show the reverse decimal value. Okay. And the reverse binary value into decimal value. Okay. So let's explain this example. Go to our notepad. So in example here our value is 5. Okay, 5, and 5 binary value is 101. Okay, and we need to represent this in 32 bit. Okay, 32 bit format in decimal. Okay, 32 bit. 32 bit means there is 8 bit. Okay, 8 bit 0. Okay, first we need to write in just okay, 8 bit 0 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and this is one byte and another byte 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then we read 3 byte 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Then last bit 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6, last 101. We need to follow this 5 binary value 101. Okay, zoom it. You can zoom through. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, one bit extra, so okay, 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now what to do? We need to reverse this binary digit. Okay, this binary, suppose it is a string. Okay, it is a string, so a reverse string it will see like this. 101, last digit will be reverse. Came to last digit, last format 101 will appear in first. Okay, reverse it. 101, then 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, just then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, let's zoom. 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we need to reverse this string. Okay, then we need to convert last reverse string value, this reverse string value. Okay, what is the reverse string value? It will format into decimal. We need to follow, then we need to follow this formula. Just this is 1, this is 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 15 16 17 18 19 20 27 29 29. This is 29 30 31. Okay, 0 to 31 is 0 to 31. Okay, and our constant is you can see our constant value means 0 less than equals to x, 0 less than equals to x, and less than 2 to the power 32. Okay, 2 to the power 32. Then what to do? We need to multiply this power with this power. Okay, just 2 to the power 31, 2 to the power 31 plus into its value, to the 31 value into 1 plus 2 to the power 30 into 0 is its value 0. 0 multiply anything is result 0. Then 2 to the power 29 into 1. Okay, and we need to just we can simply write that this way: 2 to the power 29, okay, plus 4 plus 1, or 5 into 2 to the power 29. In this way we can write. Then in this value plus this value we need to in decimal format in this way. Okay, this way. You can just it will show. You can just copy it. I will show the how it will show this in this. Okay, in this format in this value. You can just I will show go to compiler, any compiler, decimal, binary to decimal. Let's copy this. Okay. Then this binary value and convert. Okay, 2684356560. You can see 23684364560. Okay, 4560. Same. So go to code. You need to declare now is equals to 0 and I equals to 32, 0 to 31. Okay, 0 to 31. Then condition while create with while x, then minus 4 now power into power to the into power 2 then if you multiply with power x and 1. Okay. And decrement x this one. Okay, then return else. I need to declare now else equals to 0 and I equals to 32, 0 to 31. Okay, 0 to 31. And then condition while create with while x and compile, submit.